Hey folks, Dan here for a quick unboxing of my new speakers. This is a pair of computer speakers from the Amazon Basics brand and I'm super excited, so let's get stuck into it. The grand unveiling, doing this live with you. So first off in the box we have got a little kind of manual, also got a couple of other bits of paper, additional information leaflet, and there they are right on the top. In this little box, we'll move that out of the way in a plastic bag, so let's take that out. Wrapped up in some very strong sellotape plastic bags. Took me longer than I want to admit, but worth it because these are really, really nice. So I actually bought these because my laptop sits on the right hand side of my desk. And what that means is whenever I play music, the music always comes in from this kind of right hand side. So I wanted something to kind of go more central on my desk setup because I've always got music on. I like background music. And these just look like a really good choice. So I'm really excited to actually plug them in and give them a go. Let's take off some of that plastic. So we've got this really nice sort of shiny black. You can see the speaker all around here. It is a 180 speaker. You can see it kind of stops here, doesn't go around the back, and again stops on this side. So it's a 180 speaker, okay, with the Amazon Basics branding on the top. You've got this nice kind of velvety bottom, so I guess that's so you don't kind of mark whatever surface, desk, etc. you put it on. Okay, so you've got two of those, a pair of those, one for the left and one for the right. You've got a really decent looking length cable as well here. If I lift it up, you can see we've got a little dial just here, so I guess that's to control your volume. Yep, there we go, there's a little volume kind of emblem ingrained just in there. And then at the end of this plastic twist just here, there we go, let's take that off. There we go, don't know where that went. Oh, there it is. At the end of this, you've then got two connectors, okay? So you've got a 3.5 jack here in the right. So that's what's going to actually kind of, send the music down. So you want to plug this in for the music, and you've got then your USB for the power. Okay, so it does apparently have to be plugged in with both to work. I should add that I've got mine for the laptop. Obviously, you can use it for a PC too. And I don't see why you can't try it with other devices as well, but you want to double check that before you actually get it. Overall, yeah, I'm really impressed. There's a nice weight to them. You can see the size of it in my hand. It looks like a nice product. I can't wait to give it a go.